Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome to my yacht, and this is the flight of RC Era C138 Bell 206 Jet Ranger with a stock radio transmitter. Basically, this is the radio from C123, the C135 helicopter that I have just reviewed. And all you need to do is, let me just show it to you again. All you need to do is put in a battery, power on the helicopter, pick up any of the RC Era El Crepo, El Cheapo radio controller that is lying there in the mountain of ever-growing RC Era stock transmitters. Pick it up, turn it on, and you will see the light is blinking right there. Throttle up, throttle down, and you are ready to fly. It binds immediately, all right? So, gyro calibration, auto takeoff. Let's see how good the RC Era Bell 206 Jet Ranger will perform with a stock radio controller outdoors. You have watched the flight of this helicopter indoors, and I was blown away by its sweet, stable, responsive performance, and I thought it was because I was flying it with Radiomaster TX16S. But while I took it off right here, I'm gonna switch to mode 3 speed. I can say, flying with the stock radio transmitter, I feel this helicopter still is very, very stable. Very stable. And the thing I noticed, yes, one person have already mentioned in the video comments, thank you very much for noticing that. The thing I noticed that with Radiomaster TX16S, because it's a different level of radio controller, very, very hobby grade, in fact we should say professional grade radio controller. So flying with that radio, this helicopter runs higher main rotor RPM. As you can see, now I'm not feeling the main rotor RPM that high. I will give you a clip of this flying with Radiomaster TX16S. So notice the RPM with the stock radio now. It's actually running low RPM. Now, check this out with Radiomaster TX16S. So yes, with TX16S it does run higher RPM, and that is why the battery actually dies quicker. Right, I don't mind, man, but it performs even better with Radiomaster TX16S. However, to be honest, with the stock radio, as you can see, it's still flying absolutely very, very good. The only thing is, in mode speed mode 3, there's just a lot of rudder, just way too much rudder, and there's no way you can compensate it or program it in stock radio. But in Radiomaster TX16S, as I have posted a complete detailed video about how to set up, bind, and fly all RC Era helicopters on my channel, you have option with Radiomaster TX16S that you can tweak the output and let the helicopter behave the way you want, so you can actually control the rudder, the amount of rudder that you want. So with Radiomaster TX16S you have better rudder control. However, still, once again, with the stock radio, it's still flying really sweet and running low RPMs. Look at that. Nice low RPM. And in speed mode 3 on Radiomaster, it's actually slightly faster. So once again, yes, with the radios like Radiomaster TX16S or Boxer, if you bind and set up and fly these helicopters, you have options to tweak the outputs on the radio controller and let the helicopter fly slow or faster in these speed modes accordingly. So you can make it more docile or more agile. But still, the controls are pretty good, and it's really very nice and a stable helicopter as it flew and on its maiden flight indoors. Outdoors is also very, very impressive, man. I like it, impressive. And with the stock radio controller running low RPM, I'm having more flight times as well. Now, about how it's handling winds, today there aren't much winds, a bit of winds, and it's handling them really nice. I like it, man. Look at that. Look at that, how well it is flying still with the stock radio controller like this one in my hand right here. By the way, once again, this is not the radio controller for this helicopter. As I said, I took this out from C138 because I was flying that new C138 as a waking video, and I thought, you know, why I should go ahead and take another radio controller. Basically, they are all the same. Now, it doesn't have optical flow, which I simply love, but again, with the new EC135, I have seen RC Era is stepping up their game. They have improved the optical flow performance a whole lot. Now the EC135, the new one, C138, really doesn't go around that way. Like, you know, before these RC Era helicopters with the optical flow, they will go bonkers around, but now that helicopter holds position. For the first time I saw, man, that helicopter holds position. So now if RC Era is gonna release more helicopters with optical flow, I don't mind. I'll keep them on. I'll not turn them off, or I'll not cut the wires because they have improved their programming of optical flow. Now, once again, this one is not running optical flow, but if you are, you know, before flying, if you did the gyro calibration, wind is coming from here. As soon as you leave the sticks, the helicopter goes away with the wind. And as you can see how fast it's going backward, that shows how much wind it is here in my yacht. But hey, more flight times. Yes, more flight times because it's running lower RPM. You have more flight times with the stock radio. However, running higher RPM on these helicopters, you always get much, much better flight performance. So once again, if you want to have more flight time, fly it with your stock radio transmitter. If you have better than this flight performance, go ahead with Radiomaster TX16S. The last thing I want to say is, I hope RC Era, you can start releasing these helicopters PNP without this radio controller, so people can just buy PNP, save themselves some cost, and saves themselves one of these radios that just becoming a pile in their houses, a radio of RC Era. So please offer these helicopters as, you know, PNP, and we would actually love it because we will bind them to Radiomaster TX16S or Boxer HTX, and we will fly them and have fun with them. And we will not have a mountain of these. And we will not have a mountain of these RC Era helicopter radios. You know what I'm thinking? I will take all the RC Era radio controllers, the stock ones, and make a tree of RC Era radios right here in my yacht. We'll stand it right there in front of my Majlis door. All right, people, this was the flight as you requested, and how well it flies outdoors. The Bell 206 Jet Ranger C138 from RC Era with a stock radio transmitter, and you have just watched it. Have fun, and don't forget to comment on this video and let me know what else do you want to watch on my channel. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.